In this video, I will show you how to find the motherboard model in Windows 10. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on my Windows 10 desktop. Now to go ahead and find out the motherboard model, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box. And in here, you want to go ahead and type system information. So what should happen is you should see system information come up underneath best match. So go ahead and give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come over to the left hand side, and you want to make sure you're clicked onto system summary just over here. Then what you need to do is come over to this section, and underneath item you want to locate where it says baseboard product. So baseboard is your motherboard. Now for myself, it's actually saying Mac because what I'm doing at the moment, I'm currently running Windows 10 on a Mac. But your baseboard product is the actual model number. So for myself, you can see the manufacturer is of course Apple. So that's who makes the motherboard, and the baseboard product is currently the Mac 031B 6874CF 7F642A. So what you can do, you can come up to the top and you can adjust these items and value boxes. So if it's quite a long number, you can of course adjust it just like this if you can't see the full information. But that's how to go ahead and find the motherboard model on Windows 10. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.